This genius iPhone trick will help you clear your entire inbox. And you heard that, you just can't delete all your emails at one time because we have some important emails inside. Hi, my name is Shivam and I have a problem. The problem is that I have 11,100 emails in my mailbox. But then I discovered this Apple Mail swipe trick that made deleting my email seem almost like a game. For some reason, when you go to the mail option, when you swipe left, you will have that archive option, which is by default by Apple's. So whenever you do that archive, it really don't delete it. It will be removed from the inbox and it will show in the all mails. Archive is a super useful tool for organizing emails, but it shouldn't be default for message you want to get rid of quickly. There is another trick that you can get rid of that email notifications, that you just go to the edit and select all and just mark as unread. You can do that, it's not gonna delete your emails. So another trick, this is just tips that you can 3D touch your device from 6s onward, and that's a cool trick there. Now if you swipe left and if you go to the more, you can see that delete option, but that's kind of hard. So instead of archive, you do have that option to delete. Now to get rid of that archive default option, first go to setting, scroll down until you see password and accounts, click on that, and there we go. You can see Gmail, whichever you linked. So for me it's Gmail, so click on account, and as you can see the bottom advanced, click on that, and there we go. So if you zoom out, move discarded message into archive mailbox. So that's a default option. Now change that archive to deleted mailbox. If you done that, go back and just done it, go back and open your mailbox. Now you can see through your inbox and at a super rapid Tinder style pace, sending all these annoying unread messages directly into the trash. So as you can see that deleted button, and have fun with that. So swipe left and delete, swipe left and delete. You can play this game all the day whenever you get time. So whenever I have time, I'll do this all the time, and I'll get rid of those unwanted mails which I have in my inbox. And that's kind of way to sort out your emails. So hope you guys understand. Now if you go to the setting, and in email you have some extra settings like swipe option. So if you go to the swipe left, you have that flag option which is by default, so I'm not gonna change that. If you swipe right, you have that mark as a read by default option. So okay, that's kind of good for me, means I'm not gonna change that. So when you see this, if you swipe right, you have that read and unread. If you do the same thing, you can do whenever you want to, check your emails, recheck your emails to get reminded. Now you have that flag option if you want to use that. So that's the thing, guys. If you edit and click all and mark as a read, now this is the time you can get rid of all the mails. So basically it will remove, not remove, but it will read all the mails but not going to delete. So if you want to keep all your mails and you just want to get rid of this notifications, you can do that. That just an additional tips I shown you, but I'm gonna stick with this delete. Now if you see, if I delete something and if you want to get back, just shake your mobile and you will get that deleted mails back. So that's also the additional tips if you want to use that. Now some of you might using this Gmail app, so for that also I have some tips for you guys. So if you see, swipe right and you can see that unread, and if you do the same, you can see the read button. So this is kind of a default button for this. If you swipe left, you have that archive button again, the same thing. It is not going to delete your emails. So now to get rid of that, go to the setting and swipe option. Now select swipe left, you have that mark as a read unread option. Swipe right, you have archive, so change that to bin. So if you do that, if you change to the beam, so now magic, go back to the mail, and now when you swipe left, you see that red button which is the trash button. Now you are simply sending your emails to the trash and play that super rapid Tinder style space, sending all those annoying unread messages directly into the trash. Keep doing it to get rid of unwanted mails. So that's the trick, guys. Hope you understand. Now another option, that if you 3D touch and keep selecting other emails, how many you want to, just click on it and you can use that delete option to get rid of those. But I'll stick with that swipe option, so that's kind of good for me. When you want to delete all the deleted emails which is stored in the trash, so go ahead and empty the trash to get rid of those unwanted emails from your trash. I hope you guys like this video. That's it for today, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new to the channel, and hit that bell icon to get notified. I'll catch you in the next video. This is Shivam signing off, and it's always peace.